Have you ever sent someone money on Cash App and wondered, how long is this going to take? Or maybe you're on the receiving end, anxiously refreshing your app, hoping to see that green notification pop up. Well, let's dive into the world of Cash App payment speeds and clear up any confusion. Cash App has become a staple in our digital wallets. It's quick, convenient, and lets you send money to friends, family, or even businesses with just a few taps. But how fast does that money actually move? Is it instant? Does it take a few hours? Or maybe even a few days? The answer, as with most things in the digital world, isn't always straightforward. Main content. Let's break it down. Generally speaking, when you send someone money on Cash App, it's pretty darn fast. In most cases, the funds are available instantly in the recipient's Cash App balance. That means as soon as the sender hits send, the money is there for the receiver to use. It's like digital magic. But there's always a but. Sometimes, things can get a little tricky. For example, if the sender doesn't have enough money in their Cash App balance, the payment might be delayed. The app will usually prompt them to add more funds or link a debit card. This can obviously slow things down. Another factor to consider is the recipient's Cash App account status. If they're a new user or haven't verified their account, there might be some holds or limitations on how much they can receive. This is a security measure to prevent fraud. Now, what if the recipient wants to transfer the money out of Cash App to their bank account? That's where things can get a bit more complicated. Cash App offers two main options, standard and instant transfer. A standard transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to reach your bank account. It's free, but it does take a little longer. If you can't wait, you can opt for an instant transfer. Your money will typically arrive in a matter of minutes. But there's a catch. Cash App charges a fee for this service. So, you'll have to decide if the speed is worth the extra cost. It's important to note that these are general timelines, and there can always be exceptions. Things like bank processing times, system glitches, or even weekends and holidays can impact how long it takes for a Cash App payment to go through. Troubleshooting. So, what if you sent money and it's been a while and you still haven't received it? Don't panic. There are a few things you can do. First, check the transaction status in your Cash App activity feed. Sometimes, payments might appear as pending while they're being processed. If the payment is still showing as pending after a few hours, try reaching out to the sender. They might be able to cancel the payment and send it again. If you're the sender and the payment hasn't gone through, double-check that you entered the correct Cash App username or phone number. Even a small typo can cause issues. And finally, if you're still having trouble, Cash App has customer support. You can reach out to them through the app or on their website. While Cash App is generally pretty speedy when it comes to sending and receiving money, there are a few factors that can influence how long it takes. Understanding these factors can help you manage your expectations and troubleshoot any issues that might arise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.